Hello friends. So in this video we will discuss about null pointer in C. So null pointer is a special pointer variable that points to nothing and it does not reference to any valid member address. So how we can declare, like data type we can tell, and pointer name that we can tell, like we are not assigning any value, then we can tell equal to null. And in null pointer case we need to check the null pointer before accessing the pointer variable. Okay, so we can check an example. So one point integer pointer. Okay, suppose we are not assigning any value. Okay, then we will print this, then we will get some random values only, random member addresses only. Okay, we will run this. Okay, sorry, we need semicolon. Then we are getting some memory addresses, and we try to dereference this value. Then also we will get some random values. Slash n. Okay, we got some random values. Okay, so null pointer means it is a special pointer that points to nothing, and it does not reference to any valid member address. So we don't know the values. Okay, so that time we need to use the null pointers. So in that case we can use our ptr equal to, we need to tell null here. Okay, so we can just run, it will show nil only. Okay, so a null point, before accessing any value we are dereferencing the variable, right? So before that always need to check the null point. Okay, so we can play like this. If ptr equal to null, capital null. Okay, then printf not a valid member. Else we can tell like just to valid member. Okay, and we can dereference that value also. Okay, so better every time the null pointer is there, we need to check in our code, we need to check these conditions always. Okay, we will run this. See, we are assigning here null, so it will show it is not a valid member here. Okay, before accessing the pointer value we need to check these conditions. Okay, suppose here we are declaring one value x equal to 10, and we are assigning that value and x Then we will run the PTR is not null, right? So it will print these results. See, it is a valid memory and we are getting value also 10. Okay, thanks for watching.